my name is Harina Purnamawati. I would recommend a tourist spot in Indonesia, Kuta Bali Beach. Welcome to Kuta Beach, Bali, one of Indonesia's most iconic destinations. With its expensive white sandy shores, perfect waves for surfing, and breathtaking sunset, Kuta Beach is a must-visit location. Unique location of Kuta Bali Beach. Kuta Beach is famous for its vibrant and energetic atmosphere. Every corner offers unforgettable beauty. Whether you're a beginner or a pro surfer, the waves here are perfect for all levels. For those who prefer to relax, there are plenty of comfortable spots to enjoy the ocean breeze and stunning views. How to access to location? Getting to Kuta Beach is easy. Located just about 15 minutes from Ngurah Rai Airport. You can reach it quickly by taxi or private transportation. The main roads leading to beach are well equipped with various facilities for your convenience. For accommodation, Kuta Beach offers a wide range of options, from luxurious hotel with direct ocean views to budget-friendly stays. There's something for everyone. After a day full of adventures, you can unwind in comfort with world-class service. Why people should visit? It's not just about the natural beauty. Kuta Beach also has plenty of exciting activity. Explore the local art market for unique Bali souvenir or enjoy delicious local cuisine by the beach. Every moment here is something special. Kuta Beach is the perfect destination for any kind of vacation. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply want to enjoy a tropical atmosphere, Kuta Beach has it all. So, when will you can experience the magic of Kuta? Okay, bye. Hope you see you again. Thank you.